So the ingredients are some minced beef, a couple of slices of bacon, some finely chopped onion, 1/2 of an avocado, a nice bun. We're going to be using a mini bun, and this recipe will be enough for 2 burgers. Some nice fresh and crispy lettuce, the sauce. This is the sauce that we made from mayonnaise and yogurt, and a little bit of chives. If you want to see the recipe, you can always click the link in the card. And finally, some pepper and some salt. Before we start doing anything, we're going to prepare our bacon. Of course, you can prepare it in a pan, but as everybody knows it, in the oven is so much better. So we're going to bake our bacon until it's nice and crispy. While the bacon is baking, we're going to prepare the avocado. First, I've cut it up into slices, and now I'm going to scoop it out onto a plate. Now take a fork and mash it up a bit. Just a couple of mashes here and there, and that's it. Take a bowl and put your meat in there. And try not to break stuff. Take the gross paper out. I'm just going to keep it simple and season it with some pepper and some salt. And give it a good knead. By the way, this is 100% pure beef meat. If you're going to use beef mixed with pork or something, I suggest you season it a bit more with some other spices like paprika powder or something. Now I'm going to make 2 patties, roll them up in a nice bowl. So now let's toast the buns. You can also toast these in the oven, but we have this neat thing for our toaster, so we're going to use that. Toast them until they're nice and crispy. Take a pan and put it on a fire. Put some olive oil in there. Let it get hot. Once the olive oil is hot, fry your burgers. So once the burgers are done, it's time for the assembly. First, let's take a little bit of sauce and put it on the bun. Sprinkle some onions on top. Then comes the lettuce. Break it a little bit so it's not that stiff. Then the burger on top, a layer of avocado, spread it around, and to finish it off, as much bacon as you like. And finally, the bun. And there you go.
Time for a test. Right. Oh, this is too big.
Interesting.
This is one tasty bacon avocado burger. It's completely delicious. Thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.